Once upon a time there lived Santa Claus and his wife. They were very kind.
Hi honey, I am home.
Hello, would you like some cookies?
Yes, I would like some cookies.
Hi Santa, do you need any help?
Yes, can you deliver the presents?
Okay.
When Elf came to the workshop and saw Grinch stealing the presents, Elf called the Santa to rescue the presents.
Santa, help us!
I am coming!
You will never catch me.
When Rudolph came and saved Christmas spirit, and they all lived happily ever after. The end.
Once upon a time there lived Grinch. He was ugly and hated Christmas. One day Grinch decided to steal Christmas presents. He wanted to dress as Elf. He waited for Christmas Eve. Then Elf said to Santa Claus,
Those presents are ready.
Okay, thanks!
Grinch waited for the moment when Santa went to his lodge and left. He went to Santa's factory dressed as Elf and stole all presents. When Santa returned, he didn't find any presents. He asked his wife,
What happened?
Grinch dressed as Elf and stole all presents.
Santa's wife, Santa and Elf decided to find Grinch and take all the presents back. They found Grinch and decided to trick him.
Do you want some cookies?
Yes, I do.
While Grinch was eating, Santa sneaked the presents and took them back.
Hooray! Hooray!
Once upon a time there lived Grinch. He was evil and he hated Christmas. One day Santa's elf sent a message to Grinch. The letter said,
Dear Grinch, I know you hate Christmas, but it's a magical time when all family and friends come together and give presents to each other. So please, don't destroy the Christmas spirit. With big love, Santa.
The next day, Grinch received the letter, read it, and he said,
Oh, you idiot, Santa. I will destroy all presents and all people will be sad.
Later, Grinch made a machine to destroy presents, and he went to Santa's toy factory. There he saw Santa, Santa's elf, and Fairy. Fairy turned to Grinch, waved her hand, and said,
Now you will have a big heart and good feelings.
Grinch screamed,
Oh no, I will be good person. Have good feelings.
Let's get to work.
They made a lot of presents and gave them to all people.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.